Alright guys, they're all doing well. That one's off Jonathan Palmer's ball winner of the ICC. He reckons it's a hen, but it is being like a cock. If it's a cock, it's the smallest cock I've ever come across. But we'll see. There's my poor boy. Just chilling on his two young'uns. He's got two young'uns in there. Plenty of food for him. And then, going back to the polecock quickly, he's paired up with a golden Barcelona hen. There's one of them there, there's one up there, one there, one over there. So yeah, golden Barcelona babies. Like I said last time, they're off my hens I had, but I've got rid of them. Like, you know, going around this season. Young Tony, there he is. That's a golden Barcelona hen on her nest, and she's paired up with one of the Fia brothers. So, yeah, some of them are just pairing up, some of them are down on rooms. Just chilling. Hope you're all well, lads. That's the lot of today.